Imagine arriving in a quiet residential neighborhood where one home immediately captures your attention. At first glance, it proudly reveals its industrial origins, yet feels surprisingly warm and inviting. This is not a conventional house. It is a family home created from just 3 shipping containers, carefully transformed into a comfortable, sustainable place to live. Rather than hiding the identity of the containers, the design celebrates it. The white steel surfaces contrast beautifully with the vibrant orange frames and original container doors, reminding us where this architecture began. As we follow the entrance path through the surrounding garden, the house slowly reveals its bold composition. 2 20-foot containers create the ground floor. Above them, a single 40-foot container stretches across the building, creating a dramatic cantilever that immediately defines the architecture. This suspended volume becomes much more than a visual statement. It creates a generous covered outdoor living area, extending the house into the landscape while providing shade throughout the warmer months. Although the site sits within a residential neighborhood, the carefully designed garden creates an atmosphere of privacy and tranquility. Trees, open lawns, and outdoor spaces allow the family to enjoy nature every day without leaving the city. Now let's step inside. The entrance immediately introduces one of the home's most distinctive architectural features. A sculptural glass spiral staircase rises tantiest transparent structure, keeps the interior visually open, while the vibrant orange steps create a striking connection with the exterior design language. Moving into the living area, natural light completely transforms the atmosphere. One of the original container walls has been removed to create an expansive glass facade, together with the opening on the shorter side of the container. The result is a beautiful glass corner that fills the interior with daylight. The boundary between inside and outside almost disappears. The dining table occupies the brightest part of the room, creating a welcoming place where the family naturally gathers. Nearby, the comfortable sofa faces a simple television cabinet, keeping the space relaxed and uncluttered. The interior palette reflects the architecture itself. White surfaces enhance brightness. Orange details introduce warmth, personality, and continuity throughout the home. In one corner, the kitchen combines contemporary design with subtle classic influences. Clean white cabinetry creates an elegant and timeless appearance. A large window brings natural light into the workspace, while a rear door offers direct access to the backyard. This connection makes outdoor dining, family gatherings, and everyday life feel effortless. Also on the ground floor, a compact bathroom demonstrates how every square meter has been carefully planned. Despite its modest size, it comfortably accommodates a shower, sink, and toilet, proving that efficient design never needs to compromise comfort. Returning to the living room, the large sliding glass doors invite us outside. Beneath the dramatic cantilever, the covered terrace becomes another room of the house. Here, a ping-pong table transforms the shaded space into a lively family area during summer afternoons. Just beyond, an outdoor sofa creates a peaceful corner for relaxing. The swimming pool reflects the clean geometry of the architecture, while surrounding greenery softens every view. Instead of competing with nature, the house embraces it. Now let's continue upstairs. The spiral staircase leads us into the private family spaces. At the center of the upper floor, the children's bedroom makes intelligent use of every available square meter. A bunk bed maximizes the compact layout. 2 study desks provide comfortable workspaces. A large bookshelf encourages learning, creativity, and personal expression. Natural light enters from continuous bands of windows running along both sides of the container. These long horizontal openings reinforce the linear character of the architecture while maintaining privacy from neighboring homes. Once again, white and orange define the interior, creating consistency throughout every room. Adjacent to the children's room, the family bathroom offers a greater sense of comfort. A bathtub transforms this space into a place for relaxation. balancing the practical rhythm of everyday life. At the opposite end of a container, the master bedroom offers a peaceful retreat. Large windows frame calming views of the surrounding greenery. Simple furnishings keep the room uncluttered, allowing natural light and landscape to become the real decoration. Although the house is remarkably compact, every space feels carefully considered. Nothing is excessive. Nothing is wasted. Every design decision serves both beauty and function. Stepping back outside, we can appreciate the architecture from a broader perspective. The original container doors have intentionally been preserved around many of the windows. Instead of disguising the industrial structure, the project proudly celebrates it. This honest architectural language gives the home its unique identity. The dramatic cantilever introduces movement. The clean geometry creates balance. The bright color palette adds energy. Together, these elements transform ordinary shipping containers into contemporary architecture. Sustainability also plays a central role in the project. The compact floor plan naturally reduces material consumption and energy demand. Photovoltaic panels installed on the roof generate renewable electricity, moving the house toward a potentially off-grid lifestyle. Small dimensions, intelligent planning, and renewable energy combine to create a home with a remarkably low environmental footprint. As daylight slowly fades, the atmosphere changes completely. Warm interior lighting begins to glow through every opening. Large windows transform into illuminated frames, casting soft light across the surrounding garden. The swimming pool reflects the architecture. The covered terrace becomes even more inviting. In the distance, the lights of the city shimmer quietly. While the house itself feels calm, intimate, and welcoming, winter brings yet another transformation. Fresh snow blankets the garden, simplifying the landscape into soft white forms. The white containers blend naturally with their surroundings, while the orange accents become even more striking. Large glazed surfaces capture valuable winter sunlight, creating a greenhouse effect that helps warm the interior during the day, while maintaining a strong visual connection with the snowy landscape. Then summer returns. Children play outside. Family dinners move onto the terrace. The ping pong table becomes the center of activity. The swimming pool reflects the afternoon sun. The garden evolves into a true extension of the house, where architecture and everyday life merge seamlessly. This project demonstrates that extraordinary architecture does not require excessive size. With only 3 shipping containers, thoughtful planning, sustainable technology, and carefully designed outdoor spaces, it creates everything a modern family truly needs. It is compact, it is efficient, it is sustainable. Most importantly, it proves that innovative architecture can transform ordinary materials into inspiring places to live. Sometimes the greatest ideas begin with the simplest structures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.